Hey bananners, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is a voiceover apartment tour. To start, as we come in, we have the entryway, and not everything is unpacked and in order. Hi Dot, but it will be as time goes on. And you'll see in the next few clips that not everything has been unpacked and ordered just yet. But anyway, we have our kitchen area and half-eaten cake. Love that. Happy birthday, Shane. We have Shane's bookcase that's like kind of in the kitchen, kind of in the living room. We've just established that that is the threshold. Our kitchen table that is a mess right now with only 2 of the 4 chairs completely set up. That will be happening, I promise. Into the living room. We have cards on the floor from Shane's birthday party, but we have this beautiful sectional that is actually a sleeper, and it's so comfortable. Our coffee table that matches. Oh, and you'll see out there, we have a balcony. We have a balcony. Entertainment center, super cute. All of this furniture we did agree on, by the way, so that was a miracle. Again, cards literally on the floor. Yeah. Coming out this way, we have our balcony, which is actually where I am recording all of this audio right now. Our balcony is beautiful. It's so spacious. It is so spacious, and I cannot wait to do something with this space. Like, I am so excited to be able to have some furniture out here eventually. But that is our balcony space, and it is one of the bigger balconies, so we lucked out there. Moving on into the bathroom. A mat is missing because it was in the wash, but this is our bathroom. It's really nice, and this is what we this is what we have going on right now, at least as of filming this. This is our bathroom setup. Last but not least, the bedroom, the bookshelf that y'all have seen so many times. Quick closing that drawer, but the vanity you've seen. Like, you guys have seen most of this stuff. The stuff is still the same. The setup is just different. But this is our bedroom. And here is my favorite part of the entire thing. Hold on. Oh, the closet. I kind of call it my closet because I take up most of the space. Shane just occupies like the floor. But this is my closet. And to do a super quick outro, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Become a banana. See you in the next one. Bye.